Okay, so we have some FAQs about our Trackout Control Mats. First question is, can I use a Trackout Control Mat on soft mud? You can, but what you really should do is prep the site accordingly. Depending on how soft the mud is, you may want to smooth it out and make sure that that surface is more compacted using a liner or some small crush and rud to make sure that subsurface is nice and compact and lay the Trackout mat right on top. What is the lifespan of your Trackout Control Mat? So every single job site's going to be different. The lifespan's going to be different. So what we do is we offer a 3-year warranty on our blocks. Now we don't warranty abuse, but if anything were to happen after that 3-year period, blocks won't be warranted. But in that 3-year span, we will cover our Trackout blocks. The cables are not warranted, but you will have replacement parts for our mats, making them completely maintainable. Do I need to anchor the mat down? More often than not, you won't need to. All you need to do is lift our mat up and lay it down, which is one of our best features in terms of installation. If you're experiencing any concrete slabs, you may need to tack it down if you experience any sliding, movement around. But more often than not, due to a nice compacted surface, all you have to do is lift it up and the weight will take care of itself as you lay it down. Will your mats crack in cold temperatures like other mats I've used? No. RubberForm's composite material is built to last with extreme heat, extreme cold, so you won't experience any kind of breaking in extreme temperatures. How do I connect multiple mats together? The beautiful part is you don't need to. Again, with RubberForm's Trackout Control Mats, the weight takes care of itself. So you can just lift them up, lay one in front of the other, side by side. If you want to, you could connect them with a cable or chain, but you really don't have to, making our mats very, very user-friendly. Our RubberForm Trackout Control Mats are one of the most commonly ordered construction safety items that we have. The ease of use, the ease of installation, ease of maintenance makes it a very, very, very user-friendly solution on any construction job site that you need help with Trackout Control. If you need any help, give us a call.